As we fly northwards from the Golden Gate and the Marin County headlands, we see Bolinas Lagoon, Inverness Ridge, and Bolinas Ridge. Also the elongated embayment, which is Tomales Bay, and north of that, Bodega Bay. All of these indicate the alignment of the San Andreas Rift. Beneath us passes Point Reyes. We pass the mouth of the Russian River, and in the far distance we can see Clear Lake and Lake Berryessa. The Gualala River again marks the trace of the San Andreas Rift Zone, crossing off the coast north of Point Arena. We pass the mouth of the Navarro River, Mendocino, and in the center lies Fort Bragg. North of Fort Bragg, the marine terraces all but disappear. The King Range plunges down to the coast. At Point Delgada and Shelter Cove, there's a small settlement, but otherwise this is oftentimes known as the Lost Coast. Punta Gorda appears. Then the mouth of the Matoli River, and then Cape Mendocino. As we round the cape, we can see the floodplain of the Eel River. Two great sand spits separate Humboldt Bay from the sea. The largest community of the North Coast, Eureka, is located on the shores of this bay, and immediately to the north is Arcata, home of Humboldt State University. Next we pass Trinidad Head and Big Lagoon, then Redwood Creek. The dark green virgin redwood forests contrast starkly with the cutover lands surrounding them. Next, the mouth of the Klamath River. Beneath us appears Crescent City and Lake Earl, the floodplain of the Smith River. And it is here we begin a slow turn towards the south and east. To our left, we will pass the Siskiyou Mountains, the Marble Mountains, and the Salmon Mountains of the Klamath River region. We, however, will follow a series of aligned ridges which connect Rattlesnake Mountain, Red Mountain, Blue Creek Mountain, Pine Ridge, Hogback Ridge, Last Chance Ridge, and South Fork Mountain. These mark the eastern boundary of the North Coast Ranges. We approach Black Rock Mountain and the North Yolobole. Then South Yolobole. Brown Valley is to the right. As we approach Stony Gorge Reservoir, we pass over a complex set of parallel ridges created from tilted sedimentary strata. We pass East Park Reservoir, Indian Valley Reservoir, and Clear Lake. Following the Blue Ridge, we cross the upper canyon of Capay Creek. Following the Blue Ridge, past Lake Berryessa, across Pewter Creek, crossing over Vacaville and Fairfield as we approach the Suisun Bay. Next, we fly northwards over the San Pablo Bay. To the right is the Carquinez Strait and Vallejo, the Napa River with its marshes and salt pans leading northwards to the Napa Valley. In the center, the Sonoma Valley, and to the left, the Santa Rosa Petaluma Plain. To the right is Lake Berryessa, and far ahead of us, Clear Lake. As we pass over Santa Rosa, we enter the drainage of the Russian River. The Alexander Valley appears. Lake Sonoma passes beneath us on the left, and the Mayacamas Mountains are ahead of us. We follow the Russian River northwards over Cloverdale, over Ukiah and Lake Mendocino, to the Little Lake Valley and Willits. Beyond Willits, we enter the drainage of the Eel River. Round Valley appears ahead of us, and the land's drained by the middle fork of the Eel River. In the distance, we can see South Fork Mountain.